everyone, so it's fab bag time again, and I received it really late this month. So I just got this in my mail. I have it right here and I'm grabbing my scissors. Let's open and see what we got. Yeah, this is in black and this is a pretty nice design right here. I don't know what I'm going to get inside, but we got the Fab Post and it has "Up Your Game" written on this, if we can see. And taking this card right here, and it has all the products mentioned. So the product that I got is this one. This is the Ayorma Fairness and Cell Renew Night Cream. I have a couple of night creams which I am yet to use, but let's see. It smells good and it's not sealed actually, so I'm feeling a little iffy about it, but let's see how it turns out. Okay, this is another concealer. I love the fact that I keep receiving so many concealers from Fab Bag. I mean, all my recent concealers I got are from the Fab Bag, so it's amazing. Okay, so which brand is this? Where is it? Okay, this is the Lollipops Paris Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. I like that name. And this retails for 800 rupees for 5.5 ml, and I think it's a full size. So it's in 24 Biscuit shade. Let me open and see if it's good enough. Okay, this is a matte consistency and it's very thick. And I think the coverage is going to be good. Let me know if you need a review on this or something like that, because I am always looking for good foundations and concealers, so I'm always on the lookout for that. And if this is really good, so I will really recommend this. Oh, by the way, the Ayorma Night Cream, it's actually for 15 grams it costs 195 rupees. So this is just a travel size, so this is not the full size one. Next one I got is Tatva's Peach, Grapes and Cherry Blossom Body Scrub. Okay, so I think I got an email to select what I wanted, but I already got a lot of products from the Fab Bag, so I chose this one. But I already got the Peach Body Butter, which I really love, the Tatva one. So I wanted to try something else, so I chose Peach, Grapes and Cherry Blossom Body Butter this time. Let me see how it smells. All the Tatva brands body butters smell amazing. You feel like eating them. I mean, they smell so yummy that I just want to eat them. So I really love this, and I'm sure that I'm going to buy a full size version of it. Okay, so the next one that I got is this Sea Soul Dead Sea Minerals and Botanicals Massage Candle. Okay, so this is a massage candle and it smells good actually. The last time I got, I think that was not from Sea Soul, that was from another brand, but this is really yummy actually. I don't know what a massage candle means. If you have any idea what a massage candle is, please let me know. Is it supposed to be lit when you are having a massage, or I don't know when you can do it, but it's amazing for the Christmas time and the New Year time. It's really nice, especially when people all over the world are talking about fall and the candles. It's amazing to get a candle actually. But that's weird, I only got 4 products this month. One candle, I got this night cream, concealer and this body butter, but all of them are so yummy. They smell amazing. And this is a yummy Fab Bag month, actually the November month, so I'm really excited. And so this is the whole unboxing of November month's Fab Bag. Let me know if you have the subscription, which one did you get and which one you chose, and if you liked it, or if anything is worth, or if you wanted something else, or how was it. Just let me know. I would love to know, you guys. And alright, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm going to upload this video as soon as possible. And the month is coming to an end. There's just 1 month left for 2016 to come, so I'm really excited for that. And if you're interested in this makeup look right here, I just filmed this this will be uploaded after the fab bag video goes up, so let me know thumbs up if you are interested, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.